everybody, welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where making videos for next to nothing is so much fun. Today we are going to be making Fact Family flashcards for all of those of you at home who are working on homework from your classroom and you still need a little extra help with your math facts. I'm going to show you a fun and easy way to get those memorized, and that is so important. All right, what you need are some 3x5 cards. You need a marker and a pen and a pair of scissors. Notice my Safety Kid scissors. Very good. You're going to take your 3x5 card, bend it in half, and we're going to cut it. So please be careful that you don't nip any ends off of things you don't want nipped off. Cut your card in half, and this is going to create 4 triangles. So let's go ahead and work on this one right now. You're going to cut from corner to corner at an angle. If you feel like you want to go ahead and draw a line using a ruler, you are welcome to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and do that really lickety-split. Then that way I know I'll be cutting on the line. There you go, just like that. All right, here we go. Snip, snip. And now you have 2 cards to work with. We're going to be writing numbers and the mathematical signs plus and take away on the blank side. So you're going to do a lot of these, and I'm only going to show you a couple, but then you're going to have at it and you can make all kinds of cards. So the first one I'm going to make is things that add up, or you can subtract using the numbers 5 and a 2 and a 3. Now this is where the pen comes in, and I want you to go ahead and you're going to put where my finger is down here. You can see that 2 plus 3 easily makes the 5. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the plus sign. I keep dropping these cards. They're like wild animals. All right, here you go. Over here on this side and on this side, we are going to put minus signs because those are going to be our subtraction math facts. All right, so this is how it works. You hold your card and you cover the top number and you ask yourself, what is 2 plus 3? Oh, let me guess. Is it 5? Oh, I got it. That was so easy. Now we've created a new mathematical equation, and it now says 5 take away 3. Think, think, think. Ah, that answer is 2. Here's my guess. There's my answer. Oh, look at that. We've created another equation. 5 take away 2. Is that answer 3? Well, how about that? You just now have created Fact Family flashcards. I've made a few of them already. Here's one with 6 as the main number. We did another one with 5 as the main number and using 1 and 4. And this 6 has 1 and 5. You can create them for all these numbers. The lower ones are a little bit harder because you have to have zeros in there, but if you ask for a little bit of help from an adult or an older brother or sister who might be a math whiz, then you can create these cards too. Stack them all up, put them in a little Ziploc baggie, and while you're driving around in the car or sitting around at home or watching TV, you can practice your math facts, and you are going to be an Einstein. Good luck on making these. That's Simple Simon. And what a wonderful way to get these memorized. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day. Bye-bye.